Hey everyone, welcome to Easy Tech Steps. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Auto Dark Mode on Windows 11. While Windows doesn't have a built-in feature to automatically switch between light and dark modes, there's a free app that does exactly that. It's called Auto Dark Mode, and I'll walk you through how to download, install, and configure it step by step. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is download the Auto Dark Mode app. Open your browser and go to the GitHub page for Auto Dark Mode. You can do this by searching for Auto Dark Mode GitHub in Google, or I'll leave a link in the description below. Once you're on the GitHub page, look for the Releases section. Click on the latest version. After the download finishes, open the file to start the installation. The setup process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. Once it's installed, it will launch automatically and you'll see the main settings screen. Now comes the fun part, configuring the app to match your schedule. On the main screen, you'll see options to choose how Auto Dark Mode works. The first option is Time Settings. You can either set specific times for light mode and dark mode to switch, or you can choose sunrise to sunset. If you select sunrise to sunset, the app will automatically adjust based on your location and the local daylight hours. And there are many other settings you can explore, such as offset, postpone control, and more. If everything looks good, you're ready to go. The app runs quietly in the background and doesn't use much system resources, so you can set it and forget it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks on Easy Tech Steps. Got questions or need help with something else? Drop a comment below and I'll see you in the next video.